My name is Shahzad Nawaz and I am a filmmaker from Pakistan. It is indeed an honor to be part of the Green Card Capital Heroes of Pakistan jury. I look forward to your submissions and I hope that you're going to make us all proud with presenting us the best of Pakistan, which is the Heroes of Pakistan. Heroes, किसी भी माशरे में, किसी भी कौम के लिए, उसके यूथ के लिए, they serve as the fodder for inspiration. तो मैंने इसलिए फ़ौरन हामी भरी कि मैं समझता हूँ कि हीरोज़ ऑफ पाकिस्तान दुनिया भर में बताना ज़रूरी है। और हीरो से मुराद ये नहीं है कि कोई आइकॉनिक फिगर हो, कोई आपका पर्सनल हीरो भी हो सकता है, लेकिन ऐसा ज़रूर कोई आपका मेंटोर, पीयर या फैमिली मेम्बर होता है जो आपके लिए वो हीरो की जगह लेता है, जिसको देख के आप वो इम्यूलेट करना चाहते हैं और आप में आगे बढ़ने की एक जज्बा आता है, आप में वो हुर्मत और हरारत जागती है कि आप ज़िंदगी में आगे बढ़ के कुछ काम कर सकें। मेरे रोल मॉडल मेरे वालिद साहब हैं, मोहम्मद नवाज़ खान। आई लॉस्ट हिम 3 years ago, but whoever that I am today, my values, my principles, my inner sanctums, ethics is all because of my father, and I cannot thank him enough. He has made me turn into a gentleman from being born a male who later on developed into a man. So the journey from being born a male to become a man and then eventually find myself as a gentleman is all because of my father. He will be missed in real life, but his legacy lives on through my ethics and my values. Undoubtedly my hero for now and forever. देखिए, किसी ने किसी से पूछा कि तरक्की का सफ़र कैसे अदा होता है, वो कुर्बानी से होता है. Obviously, if there is no gain, there is going to be no pain. It is the price of passion. It's the price of passion you pay. और ज़िंदगी में किसी को भी कहीं भी पहुंचना हो तो उसके लिए उसको वो जुस्तजू करनी पड़ती है और उस जुस्तजू की एक कीमत होती है जो हम सबको अदा करनी होती है. And I totally resonate with the theme because I believe I'm a product of no pain, no gain myself, and who could understand and appreciate more than to be a self-made man. Filmmaking does not come with realization. At least not, it didn't work for me. It was destined. Filmmaking is something that chooses you instead of you trying to choose filmmaking. I didn't really plan to be in it. I was asked by nature to be in it, for I am destined to make my contribution in my country's cultural archive, which is film. फिल्म के लिए मैं समझता हूँ कि पैसा ज़रूरी नहीं है. Money is relative because the real investment in film comes from blood, sweat and tears. और ये इसलिए ज़रूरी है कि जो फिल्म मेकर होता है, चाहे वो फर्स्ट टाइम फिल्म मेकर हो या एक्सपीरियंस्ड हो, जब तक उसके अंदर वो प्योरिटी रहेगी ऑफ पर्पस, एंड आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट मीनिंगफुल सिनेमा, वेदर इट इज़ इन शॉर्ट, वेदर इट इज़ इन फीचर, जब आप अपनी रूह से, अपने दिल से किसी चीज़ के अंदर इन्वॉल्व होंगे, when your capital is actually the investment of your intellect followed with your passion, it is all the difference that it's going to make. There's going to be no first time, last time for any filmmaker because you are custodian of a very important job, which is narrative, storytelling. And I believe that as long as you have that purity of purpose and you do not necessarily make this film to win an award, to be shortlisted, but you be true to yourself. A good film is the one which resonates with the audience. A good film is a film जिसको लोग याद रखें, उसको कोट करें और उससे hopefully in the process subliminally से ही कुछ सीखें. That's what makes a good film. But if you write from your heart, if you create a film from your heart, rest assured it's going to resonate with the audience. Regarding a short film versus feature film, I think the shortest film in this world is a 30-second commercial. And if one can convey and tell the entire story in 30 seconds of a brand, I'm sure you could do much better in other short formats. It's going to be a huge responsibility for us to judge because it's a trust that Green Card Capital has put in us, and we're going to try and make sure that we judge based on absolute prudence and credibility, and of course the artistic value that the filmmaker is going to bring in. I'm personally very excited and I can't wait to be able to see all those short films and hopefully also get inspired